Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add the bold glamour body effect to your videos or your photos in CapCut apps. So this is trending on TikTok, so you can tap on the project and select your videos or just photos that you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to open my project. There is a video with a face, and you can select effect, select a body effect, and trending. Just scroll down until you find bold glamour. So you can
Betul, Bu.
Kalau emang betul boleh saya tanya?
Before and after, just click check mark. So this is before and after. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.